Okay, so here is TickFamous app. So let's try to use it. Let's try to install and just go through in case you're interested how it works. So you can just get like all the analytics and all the data for your TikTok account, I guess, and for your followers growth, your popularity, and all of that. Just get better analytics basically. So let's see how that might work. So here I'll just enter my TikTok username. Yeah, if I want to get coins, I can just follow this, and then I just tap on the followers tab, and then I can see my follower stats. Then yeah, that's how it works. Then you can track likes. I don't really recommend, I don't know if you want to buy all of this. Not sure if you should do that because it's against the I think some guidelines here, and it's not the way to grow your TikTok account. But yeah, here you can just go to the VIP Center and then just buy like membership for 6 months or 12 months and all of that. So then just earn coins by following, liking others, and then just and then so yeah, it's basically like a marketplace, like for like kind of system, sub for sub, as you had it somewhere on other places. But I don't know if you should use it, but yeah, it exists. So if you just follow, like for example here, you just need to click follow, switch to TikTok, give follow back to TickFamous, get 6 coins, and then when you get 6 coins you can just get more exposure here. So that's the way to promote your profile. So yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, anyways, also follow my TikTok account at Mr. Hackio. I post some cool tech app overviews there. But that's how this app works. Hope it was helpful.